So as Victoria Hand Project, while we do produce the prosthetic devices, the terminal devices, and the sockets, we've also developed in-house software that integrates with Autodesk Fusion to customize the and automate the process of creating the prosthetic devices. Didn't want to show a video due to time, but I did want to just highlight that we are producing these. So the way that this works is a clinician will take anatomical measurements of users, of the beneficiaries. So this will be both affected and unaffected limbs. And then they'll also take a 3D scan of their limb. And through our software, which is shown on the left-hand side, they can insert the 3D scan, input the patient's measurements, and then this will scale the socket to the correct size. And we have developed the software so we'll automate the process of helping just align the 3D scan directly in the socket, performing a Boolean operation to cut the 3D scan out of the socket, and then help with cleaning up the scan to just give a better fit and feel. So even with our team, we have engineers and designers that know Autodesk Fusion quite well, but with this software, even for them, it can take the time of producing a prosthetic arm down to by 75%. So it just makes it much more time efficient, just because it's boom, 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 one step after the other, and they don't need to play around with finding the button, inputting the settings. And then for our clinicians around the world who might not have experience in CAD or 3D scanning, this can just make it a lot easier for them and make the technology a lot more accessible. Even some of our partners, like in Kenya, they had no prior experience with 3D printing or CAD. And just after a little bit of training, a little bit of practice, we were able to get them and running on this. And yeah, they use it weekly to produce the prosthetic arms. It just helps reduce chances of user error and makes it much easier overall.